Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about island biogeography. It is a very important and easy topic, and most of the questions are asked from the graphical portion of this topic. So we will see how to analyze the graphs of this topic. So let's begin. First of all, as you can see here, I have drawn two islands. One island is near from the mainland, whereas other island is far from the mainland. Okay. Similarly, this island A is large in size and island B is small in size. So, what do you think? In which island the population or the individuals will migrate from the mainland? Will they reach to the island A or will they prefer island B? So the answer will be they will more likely to move towards the island A because it is near as well as large in size. Its area is large. So in island A, entry rate will be high and exit rate will be low. Okay. Entry immigration, exit extinction. Okay. In island B, which is far from the mainland and small in size, will have low entry rate, low immigration rate and high exit rate or high extinction rate. So how will I make the graph for these two conditions? So let's see for island A. For island A, the graph will be like this. In this graph, in this axis, immigration rate is denoted. On the other axis, extinction rate is denoted. And at the bottom, species richness is denoted. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the immigration rate or the entry rate is high over here. This is the maximum. Okay. So entry rate is high here. Okay now. And the extinction rate is low. Okay. So this graph denotes that the island is near from the mainland and large in size. That is why the entry rate is high and exit rate is low. Okay. When the island will be empty, so there will be more number of immigration. Okay. At low species richness, the immigration is high. As soon as the island A gets becoming full, okay, as soon as the species richness starts increasing, the immigration rate will be slow down. Okay. And at the high species richness, there will be more likely to get extinction or to get exit from that place due to competition. Okay, due to limited space. So this graph tells you about island A. For island B, the graph will be like this. Here the entry is low and exit is high. Okay. This point where these two curves meet is equilibrium point, where the entry rate and exit rate will be equal. And the high species richness denotes the size of species pool. So I hope you got the concept completely. Now we will see some of the questions of CSIR NET. That's all. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.